front of the offices of Stephen Berger on Park Avenue. I'm saying we, the union members, represent workers at SUNY Downstate and Kingsboro Psychiatric Center, two facilities that are being targeted by investment banker Stephen Berger for closure. And they're closing down hundreds of beds in an impoverished, poor community of color in central Brooklyn. So we're here as workers, we're here as 99% to demand that he stop this ludicrous, draconian, crazy plan to close down these two institutions. We know how many hundreds of thousands of people are served there day in and day out. They're important psychiatric services, important health services that our community needs and deserve, and the 99% deserves adequate health care to take care of themselves and their families. So we're here as community members, we're here as union people, we're here with leaders in the union movement, we're here with Labor Religion Coalition, students, and other folks to say hell no to the Steve Berger plan, to close down Kingsboro Psychiatric Center, and to close beds at SUNY Downstate. They want to transfer those beds to a 1% neighborhood in Brooklyn Heights. And we're saying, hell no, we're not going to let that happen. We stand fast and stand firm and not allow investment bankers to make decisions for the 99%. The same banksters that ruined the economy, now they want to ruin our health care. And we're not going to let that happen.
We out here today rallying and protesting about the Berger Commission's report where he's trying to eliminate the healthcare services in Brooklyn, and it affects two of our facilities, Kingsboro Psychiatric Facility in Brooklyn as well as Downstate. With his report, he wanted to close Kingsboro, but we continuously came out and fought and protested, and we were able to save that facility. And also they wanted to have the outpatient services, or the inpatient services, at SUNY Downstate transferred to another facility. And what would happen there, that it would misplace a lot of employees out of the facility. We are part of the 99%. We're the people out here fighting for those that can't fight for themselves. And we're going to continue to do just that, because it's not right for those with the money and the power to make decisions for those of us that don't have that wealth and don't have the privilege to be able to do the things that they do. But we're going to continue to fight for the right things, and we're going to continue to fight for those that can't fight for themselves. Go around in your communities, go to your churches, and listen to the people talk about their plights that they're facing on their jobs, in their communities, in their churches. And then volunteer a little time. They have different protests and rallies. Talk with your friends, talk with your neighbors, see if they're involved with their unions, see what type of programs and type of rallies and events and marches are going on, ask about it and come out and participate. It doesn't take much, only time.
So we invite folks to come onto our webpage, CSC1000.net, or join us on our Facebook page, CSC Metropolitan Region.